police is acceptable.
Life is what it is, I'd rather die a legend. Fucking bitches left and right, my nigga, that is my obsession. I don't feel no guilt or no pain, now that's the Oxycontin. I ain't no drug user, I'm just testing your shit.
Oh, mic check. What the fuck is up, YouTube? How y'all niggas doing? Y'all good? Y'all chilling? Alright, bitch. I don't know what the fuck is up with these old niggas. Know what I mean, doing young nigga shit on live. But look, y'all know recently, Migos and Bone Thugs and Harmony, you know, they've been going back and forth about who's the better group, this, that, and the third. And well, you know, 1/5 of the members, they even dropped a diss track, you know what I mean, aimed at Migos and 21 Savage. Now, another member was on live, Bizzie. He was on live, and the nigga was fucking, I ain't gonna lie, it looked like he was on some psychotic, crazy, just out the psych ward type shit, you feel me? But it looked like he was threatening, allegedly, he was threatening 21 Savage and Migos on live with like a fucking fully loaded shotgun. And then like on the same live, like 2 minutes later, police show up to this nigga door. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, this ain't the first time, you feel me, niggas done beef with Migos. And like, all of a sudden cops got involved. Y'all remember when that nigga King Yeller was out in Vegas? And all of a sudden, you know, he was beefing with Migos at the time, but all of a sudden the nigga caught a fed case. You feel me? I'm just saying, you feel me? This ain't the first time niggas done beef with Migos and police got involved. I mean, I'm just saying, this ain't the first time, my nigga. You feel me? But yo, y'all let me know what y'all think about this, man. Subscribe, like, comment. I'm off this. You heard, though.
You think I'm playing with you, nigga, don't you? Blow your motherfucking head off, nigga. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Who the fuck you think you talking to? Nigga? You ain't the only nigga with guns. I got I'm chilling. Don't come over here with your shit. Don't come over here with your shit. And just as long as we all know, leave Uncle Brian alone. Uncle Brian minds his business. Don't come over here, nigga. I will jump out this house and unload so many bullets on you, nigga. Nigga, I just want you to understand that. Don't come over here, nigga. Nigga, I will fuck you up. So we good? Nigga, we good? We good? We good, nigga? We good? Test me, I'll fuck you up, nigga. We good? I'll fuck you up, nigga. We good? I'll fuck you up, my nigga. Whoever. Lord, nigga, we 7, nigga. I'll fuck you up, nigga.